Number 1.
1999 Ford F-250, price $7,500. The truck has 220,000 miles and is powered by a 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a rare purple thistle exterior with a tan interior, making it a particularly distinctive Super Duty truck. This original purple thistle color was produced for only about half a year in early 1999 and is considered one of the rarest colors offered on the Ford Super Duty. The 7.3L diesel engine runs very well, and the truck drives and performs great on the road. It comes with like-new tires and has a clean and clear title. While it does have some rust around the bedsides and cab corners, the truck remains solid overall. With its rare factory color, proven 7.3L Power-stroke diesel, automatic transmission, and strong overall condition, this F-250 is a unique and desirable classic Super Duty.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F-150, price $9,995. This truck is a solid and well-maintained pickup with 162,000 miles. It is equipped with a 4.6L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, providing dependable performance and a smooth driving experience. The truck features 4WD, making it well-suited for a variety of road and weather conditions. It has a red exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Originally from Washington State, this F-150 has been kept in very good overall condition. It runs and drives excellent and has recently received new tires. The body is remarkably clean, and the interior is also in great shape, giving the truck a well-cared-for appearance. It also comes equipped with a Lear bed cap, adding useful covered storage space in the truck bed.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950. This truck has 231,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and 4x4 drivetrain, making it a capable and dependable pickup. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and is powered by gasoline. The truck is mechanic-owned and has been well cared for over the years, including 4 new tires. It has been stored indoors and remains very clean both inside and out. The interior has been kept in excellent condition with no pets and no smoking, while the body is very clean with no rust. The current owner has owned the truck for 15 years and has taken great care of it during that time. It has never been driven during the winter, helping preserve the body and undercarriage. The previous owner used the truck to plow his driveway, but it was never driven on salted roads.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,995. This truck is a very clean and well-kept third-door pickup with only 73,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable gasoline engine, along with a silver exterior and a clean gray interior. The truck has zero rust and has been well maintained throughout the years. The interior is in great condition and has been kept clean, while the exterior still has nice paint that gives the truck a well-preserved appearance. It also comes with a nice set of wheels and tires that complement the overall look. With its low mileage, clean condition, rust-free body, and well-maintained interior and exterior, the Chevrolet 1500 is a great example of a classic pickup that has been well cared for.
Number 5.
1994 Ford F-150, price $7,700. This truck is a solid and dependable pickup with 220,000 miles. It is powered by a 5.0L EFI V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a strong and comfortable driving experience. The truck features a classic red exterior with a gray interior and comes equipped with push-button 4x4, making it capable of handling different road and driving conditions. The F-150 runs and drives excellent and starts every time, making it ready for regular use. It also features power windows and power locks for added convenience. The truck has a clean title in hand, giving the next owner peace of mind. Overall, it is a well-equipped 1994 Ford F-150 that is ready to be driven home today.
Number 6.
1992 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,900, equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 5.7L 350 V8 engine. It has 367,000 miles, but it still runs and drives great. The truck has a great body with shiny paint and has never been involved in an accident. It was repainted once in the original factory color and still presents very well. The interior is in good condition and features newer OBS bucket seats and a center console. The dashboard has no cracks. It also comes with factory air conditioning that has been updated with a new compressor and hoses and is currently charged with R12. The tires have less than 1,000 miles on them, and the battery is brand new. The transmission has a slight whining noise, but it has been doing so for years and continues to operate. The truck passes legitimate smog inspections every 2 years and comes with a clean title and current registration tags.
Number 7.
1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,000. It has 209,000 miles and is powered by a 5.9L 24-valve Cummins diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It features a green exterior with a gray interior and is a one-owner truck that remains completely factory from the intake to the exhaust. The truck has never been tuned or modified and remains unmolested. It has received several updates and upgrades, including a new headliner, a completely new dashboard, a new AC system, and an AirDog Raptor lift pump. The truck also has all new ball joints and 5 new tires, including the spare.
Several other components have been replaced or upgraded as well.
It runs and drives great and is a solid example of a well-maintained, original 1999 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins.
Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,750. This truck has 200,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD. It features a gold exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has the distinctive 3-door step-side configuration, giving it a classic and unique appearance.
It has received several recent updates, including a new transmission, a new AC system, and a new spider injector. The AC blows cold and works well, making the truck comfortable to drive even on warmer days. During the video, the owner noticed that one of the headlights was not working, so the original headlights were replaced with LED units. The truck also comes with decent tires and is ready to be driven. Number 9.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. It has 236,000 miles and is powered by a Detroit diesel 6.5L engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and 2WD long bed configuration. The truck features a striking orange exterior with a tan interior and comes equipped with cold air conditioning and a headache rack. The truck has received a number of recent upgrades and maintenance items, including a new 34-gallon factory fuel tank and lift pump, new front brakes and calipers, new rear brakes and drums, dual batteries, a new fuel cooling module, a new hydro lift pump, a new steering box, a new Hydro Boost master cylinder, and new power steering lines. It also has 3.73 gears. This is a southern truck with a desirable patina and is described as running and driving great. It has no check engine lights, no leaks, and no known issues, making it a solid and well-maintained classic diesel pickup.
Number 10.
1986 Chevrolet S10, price $3,500, solid little classic pickup that is in decent condition for its age. It has approximately 200,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The S10 features a black exterior that gives it a classic and straightforward appearance, while the gray interior has been well kept considering the truck's age. Inside, the truck remains in decent condition and maintains much of its original character. It has the simple, functional feel that makes these older compact pickups appealing, without unnecessary complications. Mechanically, the truck is described as running good and shifting good, so it is ready to be driven and used as a practical work vehicle.